charm. First trip out with the GoPro, the videos came out great. I took my son Paul, and I goofed up, got home, loaded everything into the video editor, and forgot to save it to my computer. Deleted it off the card and couldn't find the file locations, and that was it. So second trip out was last week, and it was a good ride. Videos look great, but the video editing program just was struggling. We don't have a great laptop, but it's not that old. It's only about a year old. But it was a lower end model, and I knew it was probably something to do with the graphics. And then after watching some videos by BKXC and Lone Ranger, I've changed the settings on my GoPro now, down to 24 frames per second, changed resolution and stuff like that. So third trip out, solo trip again. I'm trying to get my bike legs back under me before I head to New York next week. Going biking with my brother, and he's in much better shape than me, so trying to get my legs back. Headed to Skidaway. It's a really cool trail. I enjoy it. We don't have a lot to choose from in southeast Georgia. There's 2 trails in Savannah, one in Pooler, the one in Pooler. They tore part of it up, so it's not really a trail right now. But of the 2 in Savannah, I like Skidaway the best. It's a lot of fun. The local bike group, Sega Sorba, and the guys have done an awesome job putting together, a fun little trail there. I started mountain biking officially about a year ago, but when I was living in Germany, I bought a mountain bike, and back in 2004, maybe, something like that. I wanted to get into it. I didn't really know much about it, but I went to the local bike shop and bought a cross-country bike, and only rode it about 3 or 4 times, and then I was playing hockey over there. Hockey took a bunch of my time up, and the bike just sort of sat. It was a good bike back then. I paid probably $1,000 or more for it way back then, maybe around 1,000. Which is 20 minutes from my dad's house. And I was blown away. I mean, I knew mountain biking existed. I just didn't know it was like that. I didn't know it was groomed trails, wooden features. I just didn't know. And I was excited and then frustrated. Because if someone would have told me about this 20 years ago, I would have been on a bike. But I didn't, and here I am. I was 43, and I'm just getting into mountain biking, which I've wasted a lot of time, got a lot of time to make up for. Okay, so here we are, parked at the Georgia Marine Center on Skidaway. There's another trailer entrance over there to that side, but I don't know much about that trail, and every time I go over there I get lost. I usually ride over here to the Grays Reef entrance. The other side's 2-point-something miles. Got a lot of fun rollers over there, but I always get lost. There's so many different spurs, and I need to spend some more time over there, see what I can find. But the Grays Reef side, little over 4 miles one way. And there's a lot of really fun stuff over here. The Sega Sorber group has done a great job building the trail. A little windy out here. Gray's Reef Sanctuary. We're not really supposed to park here. This is the other trail entrance. It's mostly a green trail with spurs off of it that are blues. Okay, here we go. This is the first little blue section. Mainly because of the roots. Going this route, main trail is a green. Every left you can take is a blue. Alright, there's the original green. Take every left. Wrong gear. Whoa, a little sandy. So I saw a bike over there, or a car over there with a bike rack on it. We're gonna walk this tree. So I expect to see people out here today. And try not to crash into them like down in Santos. Alright.
sandy. That was a bad line choice. Made it. It's a fun little section. Okay, this is a good spot to take a break. This is what I call a pump house. To the right over there is the wall ride and the ditch crossing. Left is the pump track. And that right there is the original green trail. The blue I just rode runs parallel to the green. Anything closer to the water is a little more technical, a little more up and down, a little rootier. The green trail, when you get towards the end, towards OSCA Road, it does get a little more rooty, but there's really not no switchbacks or anything. We're gonna stay on the blue for now. Drink some water. Let's go. Oh, I don't care. I'm still learning all this stuff. I'm from New York, but we live out in Glenville now, the west side of Fort Stewart. Yeah, we don't have any trails. Yeah, I like this better. Yeah. Out of shape. Out of shape.